Hey Team V!
Hello Team V! Welcome back to the 12 Crafts of Christmas with us. Woohoo! Today we are making a super fun, super simple Christmas tree craft. So let's talk about the supplies, buddy. What do we have here?
Paper.
Just plain white printer paper.
Paper towel roll.
That's a toilet paper roll and we need it to be brown this time.
Paintbrushes.
You just need one and a thick one. Nice.
Well, it actually doesn't matter which color it is because we're going to paint it green.
Well, this is going to be the stump of the tree, so we need it to be brown. And what do you have there?
Scissors.
Let's put them down, please, because...
I'm scared, you.
And we don't need the scissors yet.
And we need this under the table.
To protect our table. And we have, what do we have here?
Pink.
What color?
Green and green.
Yes, you need two kinds of green. Now we are using acrylic, but you can use tempera for this, or watercolor. So first what we're going to do, Leo, is you're going to pick which color green you want to paint with first. So go ahead and pick up a brush. This one or that one? Which one do you want?
That one because it's smaller.
Okay, and what color do you want? Light green or dark green first?
Green.
Okay, so you can load it up, really load it. Dab, dab, dab. Can you dab it up and down?
How about this? I mix them.
No, don't mix them right now, please. Dab in just one color. Can you dab it up and down? Dabbing is like this. Dab, 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 dab. Can you do that on your own? Good. Now, Leo, we are going to try to not get this on our shirt or our table. We're just going to try to paint the whole paper just kind of messy like. Just kind of any which way, any direction. Kind of the messier the better for this one.
The messier, the
Yeah.
better. Never heard that.
I know, it's a strange one. I'm gonna roll up Leo's sleeves because we forgot to do that before.
Dab,
Now,
dab, dab, dab.
this paint doesn't really come off. All right,
Dab, 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 dab.
kind of just get it all over, kind of messy. Mess it up. We want it to look kind of textured. So I'm going back and forth, swish swash. I'm going dab, dab, dab. I'm just putting it all over the
Look at
place.
mine.
I'm liking it. Now friends, without washing your brush, I know that's so strange, you're going to go into the different color green and you're going to get different color green loaded up into your brush. So just go in there, dab in there, mix, mix, mix. Mix it in there.
Mix it all up.
Yeah, you can mix it all up. And really load up your brush.
I'm using it all.
Good. Now, on your painting, and careful not to lean into it, you're just gonna kind of put lines wherever, just kind of mix, dab, 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 all over, any which way. I'll hold it for you. Go different directions, up, down, side, side, dab, dab, dab. You want lots of texture, and we don't want it all to look one color. We want it to look different colors of green. So don't mix it together on there. We want to see some light green, some dark green. I think you need to stop, because I think it's perfect.
Me too.
That's okay. We got a little tear in our paper. That's okay. We're not going to need that spot. So now your paper should look like a mix of greens. And now you need to let it dry. So
Do we continue?
hello Team V, we are back. And I just want to show you what we've done here. Set up here so I can show Leo cutting. What I've done here is on the back of this piece of paper, I have drawn lines. They are 1 inch wide, and now Leo is going to cut them apart. So while you do that, Leo, let's use your scissors.
Yeah.
I am going to show them what I have done with the tree. Go ahead and start cutting, bud.
Listen,
Yeah, so can you cut on along the lines?
only on the line.
Yeah, so here you can see that I've drawn a Christmas tree shape. So I just measured 4.25 inches here, which is exactly half. And I drew a dot and then I connected it to the corners to draw a Christmas tree shape. And then what I did is I drew some line guides and then I cut some slits in here and you can see.
One.
Good job. So the slits, remember you can't go all the way to the edge. Okay, so the longest one is going to be the one in the center, and then these two guys are the next longest, and then I have two down here. So you need to leave about an inch at the top, an inch at the bottom, so that when Leo cuts out the Christmas tree, we'll be able to weave the pieces that he is cutting right now in between. Leo is now cutting out the shape of the Christmas tree, so he's being very careful to cut on the thick black lines that I've shown him. Now I'm going to show you how to weave the Christmas tree. Before I do, I just want to show you this here. I have cut out a piece of thick cardstock, and that at the end I'm going to paste on the back, and that's going to stiffen it up. So you're going to grab a strip, and just like when we were weaving the poppy, you go so under, right, over, under, over. Now slip it through here. Be very careful not to tear it. Under and over.
Our poppies.
Yeah, and now you leave it like that. Now Leo, one trick is you have to make it go all the way to the bottom. Now the next strip, Leo, you have to do the opposite. So we went over, we have to go under, okay? So now go ahead, go under. Okay, so now Team V, to make it look like we have branches sticking out, we're not just gonna cut these off here, we're gonna cut them at an angle. So to look like leaves. Okay, Leo, can you do that? Okay, spread glue all over.
TV, look what we've done.
Look at our woven Christmas tree, guys. It is so super cool. So the different colors of paint give it a textured effect. And it's a dancing tree. Wow, I love it. So now if you want, you could add decorations to it.
Like by gluing on pom-poms or drawing them.
Yeah, or you could put a star on top, whatever you want, or you could leave it just a nice nature looking Christmas tree here. All right, Leo, let's do our handshake.
Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. Love ya. Bye.